Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. This video is going to be on gold. Gold is looking interesting to me again. I love gold. All the volatility just creates a lot of opportunities to trade. So on my last analysis, I think I was focusing on gold pushing upwards for a bit around the 1850 mark. We've exceeded that. We've touched around 1870. Okay, so that's all good. It's looking interesting to me again because I was waiting for gold to get to around the 1850-ish level, and I was hoping to find some signs of gold reversing and heading down south to continue its overall downward move that it's been doing for quite a while. And I think I've just got that signal. So let's see. I think my last analysis was here when this trend line was broken, expecting gold to continue up. Naturally, it's never a straight line up. There's always lots of fluctuations. These fluctuations are great, of course, because it creates a lot of opportunities to do buy and sells on the way. So here I was able to do a short trade. Here I was able to do a long trade. Here I was able to do a short trade. Here I was able to do a long trade. And here I was able to do a short trade. So multiple trades on the way. If you want to know more about the short-term trades that I do, please do head over to my website and join the VIP program. That will give you access to all my short-term trades. For the purpose of making videos, I focus on medium and long-term trades, as I mentioned in my other videos. The reason why I don't make videos on short-term trades is simply because these trades need to be executed quite quickly. I don't have the time to make hundreds of videos on every short-term trade and then edit this and upload it. So I made videos on the medium to long-term trades, as I have time to sort of do the recording, come back to it, do the editing, and then upload. Okay, so let's dive into this. So gold has broken this trend line that I have. I'm expecting gold to head down towards around 1770 now. So I would suggest finding an entry point to do a short somewhere around here. It looks like we've hit some kind of local support here. Gold might just drop a little bit lower before showing signs of pulling back to retest that high around the 1865, or it might be about to do a retest of around the 1865 level. Either way, somewhere around between 1855 and 1865 would be a nice sort of entry point for a sell on gold. If it does exceed the 1870 level, then I'm afraid I'd be wrong and situations changed. But until that, I would like to stay on the short side of gold and taking gold down to 1770-ish. It probably will exceed that, maybe 1750 or so, but I'd be comfortable closing out at 1750. I'm just going to dive in a little bit, see what's going on. Yeah, there seems to be some kind of support holding up here, so I'd look for a sell entry somewhere around here. As always, if you have been profiting from my analysis on gold, please do share your results in the comments. It would be very nice to know how people are doing. At the end of the day, I'm putting out this free analysis to help people out, so it'd be rewarding to know how people are benefiting from this. And of course, if you haven't been making profit on my analysis, which generally tends to be quite good and accurate, I do make mistakes here and there, but if you've been following my analysis and you've been trading all of them, you should be overall in a profit. So if you're not in profit, then there must be something wrong with your trading strategy. Get in touch with me via my website, financialmarkets.club, and I can try and help you out to diagnose what seems to be going wrong and help you become a profitable trader. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.